Okay, getting an early start and headed with supplies to Louisiana. Okay, it's about 8:30 in the morning on Wednesday, and a little bit of change of plans. It seems as though supplies have finally started to get to Lake Charles area.
In 10 miles, turn left onto I-Access Road South.
So there's places north of Lake Charles that are not getting anything because Lake Charles is getting all the attention now. So regrouping a little bit, I'll be heading north to Ragley, Louisiana, which is about 40 minutes north of Lake Charles, to a church there that is kind of a hub in that area. It's the only place that has a generator, and they're having a senior center there where they can bring people in and get them out of the 95 plus degree heat. Okay, so I'm in Beaumont, getting ready to start heading north on 12 here in a couple of miles, but a little bit of damage. You can see a little effects, a couple of blue tarps, but largely nothing. And there is some emergency vehicle traffic headed the same way I am, so we'll see. But so far, Texas is looking pretty good, no problem. Okay, so I'm on Highway 12 headed towards Mauriceville, and from what I understand from my contacts there, things will look great until you get to about to Quincy, and it will suddenly switch to disaster. But okay, I'm at just outside of Mauriceville, and it's 53 miles from where I'm headed to, and the damage is starting to become pretty obvious. A lot of trees down, not without power, but the old blue tarps everywhere, so and chainsaws, so there's it's obviously starting to get worse. Just crossed into Louisiana, and it's just like you turn on the switch. There's a lot of damage starting to show up. Trees, significant trees down. Appears to still have power, but really not good. So I'm still about 45 miles from where I'm headed to, 44 miles. So right now near Starks, Louisiana, but things are starting to get pretty bad. Into DeQuincy. And this is where it starts. Obvious damage to most buildings, lots of trees down, no power. We're four-way stops everywhere here, and still about 30 miles from where we're headed. So not good. I don't think there's any power in this. I don't think there's any power in DeQuincy. Nothing but tarps. Still in DeQuincy, and they've been hit. everything's a four-way stop, so no power. See the McDonald's sign up there that's pretty much gone. Big, large trees snapped at, so you would think that there was probably a lot of tornadoes in here too. It's not just hurricane damage, but it's certainly bad, and we're still 28 miles from where I'm headed. Parts of town are getting power. I was just at just past a store that was selling gas, and people were descending on it with gas cans. So progress. Thanks for these hard-working folks here. We're now to see the trees, which I'm filming myself rather than the trees, but all the wind looked like it was laying the trees over from like west to east up until this point, but now they're starting to be laid over from the north to the south, which is probably meaning that the eye wall came pretty close to where we're at now. So I'm still 15 miles away from where I'm headed. The location where I'm supposed to meet the church folks.
Turn right onto Lejeune Road.
There we go. How you folks doing?
Hey, we're doing good. I'm the pastor here. One of these days they're going to get a good one. Jimmy Clark, thank you. Thank you for all that you've given us.
Absolutely.
Tammy Coleman, thank you for showing up and showing out on time. We really appreciate you.
Thank you. I'm Carolyn Felice. I appreciate all that y'all have done. My children, Abby Felice and Wesley Felice, they're the muscles behind all of the work that comes in. I so appreciate what y'all have done.
Absolutely. Well, thank y'all for what you're doing, because it looks like it's kind of a hub for a lot of folks. So we will keep the supply coming. So God bless, huh?
Bless y'all.
Absolutely. Okay, I'm about to leave out of here, and it's 10:42. I'm gonna go to Lake Charles and look on the manpower side what they're gonna need. These folks are the hub of everything that's going on in this area. So 3 cars just pulled up right after we unloaded the truck needing diapers. So this is just, that's 90% of what we brought was diapers. They are so appreciative of what New Covenant is doing. So I told them we'll keep the supply coming until the support stops. So as long as people are giving, I'm gonna keep the truck going. So God bless. Thanks a lot. Okay, this is pretty close to the church that I was just at. I just wanted you to look at some pretty large trees that just get snapped. They said that they had wind gusts of 100.7.